And what's going to happen is this camera is going to fit up there and be connected into the internal wiring of your car. And the kit comes with everything. And when I say everything, it comes with a trim removal tool to effortlessly remove the trim around your camera up above or your rear view light. And it comes with the electrical wiring kit for you to plug into the existing socket that's in your rear view mirror compartment. So the first thing we do is we remove the fascia round the surround of the rear view mirror. And that's quite a simple operation, particularly if you're careful and you use the trim removing tool. Because now that we have the fascia removed, what we're looking for is the green connector just up here. And this connection device down here is going to connect up to there. And that's our next step. The next thing you want to do is to pull the cable out and connect it up to this cable here. So that cable is now connected there, and you push the other remaining cable back up into the original cable position that you had, and you are left with a small cable here that fits to your dash cam. So you connect the cable from the dash cam to that wire there, and then all we simply do now is put it all back together. So we've connected in the camera, it just clicks into place, and we've returned the, what would you call it, the surround and the casing, and we've turned it on, and the quality is outstanding. That's what you get with a Fitcam camera.
So here you can see that number plates are fully visible, and it is an exceptional quality picture that is generated by the onboard 4K camera, which is absolutely what you need in the event of an accident to give you the best form of evidence available.